Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
The newly launched OPPO Find X9 Ultra is the first device to arrive with a Hasselblad-powered 10x optical zoom telephoto lens, and this setup feels like it was designed specifically for concert photography. For a much lower cost, you can get a viewing experience that feels incredibly close to being right near the front row.
A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our exciting tech content.
To see how well it actually performs, we brought the Find X9 Ultra to a live concert. Standing all the way in the back row at Lifehouse, we started shooting with 1x, 3x, and 6x zoom. The results were decent, but the stage still felt too far away. Then, the moment we switched to 10x zoom, everything changed instantly. The performer suddenly filled nearly half the frame, and the entire mood of the shot became much more immersive. What's even more impressive is that tapping the 10x zoom button again jumps straight to 20x zoom, which is roughly equivalent to a 230mm focal length. Even at that range, the phone still delivers excellent detail. Clothing textures were visible, the in-ear monitor could be clearly seen, and even individual strands of hair remained sharp. And of course, the difference becomes obvious when compared side by side. We also tested the previous generation OPPO Find X8 Ultra with its 6x optical zoom, along with the iPhone Pro Max featuring a 4x telephoto lens, all from the exact same shooting position and all at 10x. Compared with the Find X9 Ultra, neither could really keep up. One struggled with detail loss and visible noise, while the other relied too heavily on processing, making the final shots less consistent and lowering the overall success rate. Once you push into 20x, the gap becomes even more noticeable. Starting from today, the way people shoot concerts on smartphones could feel completely different. And a concert isn't just about photos. You're going to record video too. Thankfully, the OPPO Find X9 Ultra can record video using the 10x telephoto lens, and the performance is seriously impressive. Footage looks sharper, smoother, and incredibly stable. Whether the subject is standing still or moving across the stage, the results stay clean and controlled. The overall image also looks brighter and more transparent. It's clear that OPPO's built-in 10x optical zoom is the real highlight this time. The image quality is on another level and easily beats lower magnification cropped zoom shots. It really does feel like the concert smartphone rental market could be about to change. But the Find X9 Ultra isn't only about that 10x telephoto camera. The rest of the camera system is equally impressive. The main camera and the 3x periscope telephoto both use Hasselblad dual 200MP ultra-large sensors. The ultra-wide camera has been upgraded to the LYT600 dual camera system, and there's also a second-generation single-lens color reproduction sensor, featuring more sampling channels, larger pixels, and a more advanced manufacturing process. Thanks to this setup, with improved efficiency and lower power consumption, the OPPO Find X9 Ultra offers focal length coverage from 0.6x all the way to 10x. That range is even broader than the classic Holy Trinity lens setup many photographers rely on. This is the Find X9 Ultra's 6-focal-length 8K ultra-clear imaging system in action. Whether you're into street photography, timeless portraits, or extreme long-distance zoom shots, you can capture full 50-megapixel images across the range without sacrificing quality in any composition. At 1x and 3x zoom, the phone can also unlock an additional 200MP output mode. And if you're not sure how you want to frame a scene, switching to 200MP gives you extra flexibility for cropping later while keeping plenty of detail intact. There are also some exciting software upgrades. OPPO has introduced a brand new Hasselblad Master Mode with 9 redesigned master film presets. Options like brilliance, richness, and contrast black and white each bring their own unique color style and tonal character, making everyday photos look more cinematic and visually striking straight out of the camera.
There are also some exciting new additions like master parameters and a new one-click flash feature. If you come across a photo style or recipe shared by a professional photographer, you can simply tap AI Flash and the phone will instantly recognize the settings and import them automatically. The whole process takes just one tap, making it incredibly quick and easy to use. Another feature worth highlighting appears in professional video mode. On the OPPO Find X9 Ultra, OPPO has added Hasselblad Master Video Tone, which gives footage a much more distinctive look compared to the standard video mode. It adds a unique character to the image and creates a more cinematic visual feel. What makes this even more interesting is that even a professional Hasselblad camera costing around £5,000 can't record video, yet OPPO's Hasselblad phone can not only shoot video, but deliver cinematic-looking video. That's a pretty special experience on a smartphone. And while we're talking about experience, we have to mention the design of the Find X9 Ultra. The version we have matches the signature color styling of classic Hasselblad cameras, inspired by the cool tones of Nordic landscapes. The proportions of the vertical screen and the overall design create a texture that feels very much like holding a real camera. It's like carrying a camera in the form of a phone, ready to capture moments wherever you go. But OPPO didn't stop there. To make that camera-like feeling even stronger, OPPO teamed up with Hasselblad to introduce the Hasselblad Professional Imaging Kit. With the integrated grip, protective case, and Hasselblad-branded shoulder strap, the phone instantly feels like professional photography gear in your hands. And when you pull out the 300mm teleconverter from the lens case, telephoto shooting becomes even more powerful anytime, anywhere. It really gives you that creative freedom photographers love. Beyond the camera setup, the OPPO Find X9 Ultra is packed with powerful hardware across the board, proving it's a true flagship gadget. While some brands have been scaling back features on Ultra devices, OPPO went in the opposite direction. The OPPO Find X9 Ultra upgrades to a 144Hz display, supports dual satellite communication with Beidou and Tiantong, and includes a massive 7,050 mAh battery, something truly rare in this category. Battery life is especially impressive. In a 3-hour endurance test, it outperformed other Ultra flagship competitors, and even with the larger battery, charging remains extremely fast. In real-world testing, using 100-watt wired charging brought it to full power in just 44 minutes, staying comfortably under 1 hour. On the software side, the experience feels equally polished. The new generation of ColorOS 16 introduces lock screen navigation with a capsule-style display built right into the lock screen interface. You can swipe up or down to switch display modes, and the animations feel incredibly fluid. It already works with music playback, clock functions, navigation, and more. There's also the new Little Wing feature, which includes an AI-powered travel collection tool. If you've saved enough travel guides or travel content, the system can automatically organize everything and recommend destinations you may like. With just a few taps, you can choose the number of days, generate a full travel itinerary with photos and text, and even start navigation instantly. If planning trips isn't your thing, this feature makes it incredibly simple. Overall, the OPPO Find X9 Ultra stands out as one of the most interesting Ultra flagship phones released in this generation. It brings something unique both in design and in functionality. The built-in true long-range telephoto delivers stunning concert photography from such a compact device without needing any extra gear. It genuinely feels like having a miniature telephoto lens built directly into your phone. Combined with its Hasselblad-inspired design, the OPPO Find X9 Ultra really feels like a professional pocket-sized Hasselblad camera. And beyond photography, features like the high refresh rate display, huge battery, dual satellite support, and thoughtful software optimizations make it feel like a premium flagship that goes beyond the usual expectations. At a time when many brands are cutting features while charging more, OPPO is actually adding more, and that's something we don't see very often. So, what do you think about OPPO's camera performance this generation? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.